by my Spirit, Zechariah 4:6. This week's scripture song is based on a powerful promise from God, found in Zechariah chapter 4, verse 6. Not by might nor by power, but by my Spirit, saith the Lord of hosts. As I listened to this song, a vivid picture came to my heart. I saw the Hebrew people, long ago toiling, lifting stones, rebuilding the temple after exile. They were tired, worn out, unsure if they could finish. But God gave them this word. It would not be by force, not by human strength, but by His Spirit. Then I saw Peter in the garden. He reached for the sword when Jesus was arrested, but Jesus said, "That's not the way." Even then, He was pointing to a greater power. And finally, I saw the moment at Pentecost. The Spirit came down, like fire, like wind. And suddenly, those who were once afraid became bold. The church was born, not by might, not by power, but by His Spirit. This verse was first spoken to Zerubbabel, the governor of Judah. He was called to rebuild the temple, but he faced opposition, fear, doubt, and weariness. But God reminded him the work would be finished, not by force, but by faith. Not by men, but by the Spirit of God. Today, that same Spirit is still at work. Maybe you're in a season where you're trying to rebuild something, a broken dream, a hurting heart, or maybe you've just run out of strength. God is saying the same thing to you. Not by might, not by power, but by my Spirit. Let this song wash over you. Let it remind you that you are not alone. The same Spirit, the living Spirit of God, lives in you. Listen now. Let your heart rest in the presence of the Lord.